Hey everyone, if you are new to Mac or just want to master screen captures, you are at the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to take screenshots and record your screen on a Mac quickly and easily. So let's quickly start the video. For taking the screenshot, our first step is to click on Command Shift and 3. This will take the screenshot of the entire window. Here you can see this is the screenshot we have taken, and it is by default saved in this on this desktop. You can see this was our screenshot. Okay, the next method is to click on Command Shift and 4. By this you will see a crosshair will appear on the screen, and by this you can just select the portion to take the screenshot of. Like this, I want to take screenshot of this only. I will just drag and hold and then leave it. It will take the screenshot. Okay, and one more tip is there. When you click on this Command Shift and 4, and if you click on the space bar, you can just take the screenshot of the selected window. Like if you want to take the screenshot of this window, you will click here. If you want to click on this window, if you want to take screenshot of this window, click here. Here are more windows you can see on the screen which we can take screenshot of. Like take this one. Yeah, here are screenshot appear. And let me tell you that here are the quick controls or quick functions we can do. Like by this, by here clicking on this, we can share this screenshot quickly. By clicking on this, we will delete the screenshot, and by click on this, you can just do something like this. Like you can see, I can draw, I can add text, I can add lines, etc. Let's revert it. Yeah, if I click on this delete icon, our screenshot will be deleted, and the default screenshots are on the desktop. You can see here. Okay, these are the screenshots we have taken so far. Yeah, now let's quickly jump to the video recording part or screen recording part. For that, just press Command Shift and 5. You can see these controls. These first three controls we have discussed earlier. You can see two more options. By clicking on this, the entire screen will be recorded. Let's record this. Our screen is being recorded. Let's end this. You can see our recording. Okay, this was our recording, and now let's quickly discuss the second option. This if I want to take the recording of only this part or selected portion, I can do so. By this I can also select the portion. Okay, like if I want to record this, I will just select this portion and click on record. But before recording, let me tell you these options. These are the quick options, like save to, where you want to save the screenshots and screen recording. Like by default it is desktop, and you can change the location from here. These other locations are also available. Like you can see where I want to save. By default it is desktop. Here is the timer. If I click on 5 seconds, when I click on record, after 5 seconds it will click the screenshot or start the screen recorder based on the option I have selected. These are the microphones which while recording are used. If you click on none, no sound video will be recorded. These are my buds I have connected, and this is Macbook. Yeah, this is Macbook's default microphone. Yeah, these are the other options you can explore. Okay, let's quickly click on record. You can see the timer is up. Yeah, our recording is started. Okay, so let's stop this. Yeah, you can see our screen recording. Okay, yeah, so this was the video. Hope it helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. You can check our other tutorials too. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.